Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Danielle and this is Craft Junk. Today is part 3 of my forest crafts for kindergarten and we are making this not so scary scarecrow. Here's everything you will need for this project and I'll link the materials in the description below. So let's get started. Thanks so much for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out some of my other series. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.